Well, hello everybody. Tom Delaney here from AMX390.com and the AMX Firehorse YouTube channel. Today we have two disc brake upgrade boxes from AMC Lives, and we're going to take a look and see what they sent. I'm really looking forward to it. I placed my order online with American Performance Products by going to their cool website amclives.com. This company was started by Ray Pinto of Cocoa, Florida in 1980 and is now run by Jerry Gimzek. Let's give them a call.
American Performance, how may I direct your call?
Hi, I'd like to talk to the boss about the big brake kit for AMCs.
Our kit is going to come with new spindles, new brackets. Everything is brand new. It'll come with everything you need from the spindle on down to the grease cap. All new bearings, all new seals, okay? So that, you have a brand new setup when you're done. But we have the spindles made for us, okay? We have the brackets made for us. And, well, actually, even the plates, the little spacer plates they make for us. So many people are having problems because they can't replace their hubs. All right, this takes care of that problem for them, too. We have two different kits. One is more for the larger cars, okay, Rambler and so on. And the only difference is like the length of the bolts and a couple things like that. The kit's really interchanged, but if you get the one for the larger car, I think the hose is an inch or so longer, and it's just a little better fit. And the bolts are a little different length. If we know what car it is, we can try and send a kit that everything works. We designed this on a 70 Javelin. And we send along 6 of those spacer plates. Generally, you don't need all 6, but sometimes you hit a car that does. I don't think anybody else is, doing this with all new parts. Most of them are using little spindles or using, something like that to that grade. But we went ahead and we make everything brand new. So now, the other thing we include in our kit that nobody else seems to be doing is we include that valve to equalize the pressure from the rear wheels. We include that in our kit. That's part of it. We do have a couple of options. There's an option for the slotted brake and a little better pad, and there's also the option for the metal braided brake line hoses. We have brake fluid available, things like that, yeah.
Well, thanks, Jerry. Let's take a look at what arrived. The kit comes very well packed in 2 boxes, and there are papers in each box. Let's get to unboxing. Cue the funky music, maestro. Well, that was box 1, and now we start unboxing number 2. These boxes went all the way from Florida to California, and nothing was lost or damaged. I'm planning on installing this brake kit on my 1974 Hornet that has a V8 engine. I don't have to change the booster or master cylinder, and that's why I like this kit. American Performance Products has a lot of AMC parts available on the website. Jerry, what special items would you like for people to know about?
We have a couple of kits. For example, we have a kit that will change the older motors, okay, with the old crankshaft to the new one so they could buckle up to a 727, 400 or whatever. And we have that in two styles. We have it where milled onto the crankshaft itself, which is probably the best way to go, but we also have an external so they can do it without pulling the car apart, the crankshaft apart. Another thing that is pretty much specialty for us is the billet steel flex plates and billet flywheels. Everything that we're talking about is up on the website, so if you need any information on it, just take a look. But if you don't find what you want, give me a call.